Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade futures in Interactive Brokers. In this video, we will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy for you to get started. First, ensure you have an active account with Interactive Brokers. If you do not have an account yet, visit their website to open one and complete the necessary verification steps. Once your account is set up, log into the Interactive Brokers trading platform. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself with the various sections. To trade futures, you will need to find the Futures Market section. You can easily access this by navigating to the Trade tab and selecting Futures from the drop-down menu. This section will provide you with a list of available futures contracts you can trade. Next, select the futures contract you want to trade. You can search for it by name or ticker symbol. Once you locate the desired contract, review the specifications, including the expiration date and margin requirements. After you have confirmed the contract details, you can proceed to enter your trade. Choose whether you want to buy or sell, and enter the quantity of contracts you wish to trade. Be sure to check the order type, whether it's a market order or a limit order, before submitting. Finally, review all the information you have entered and click the Submit button to place your trade. Keep an eye on your open positions and use the various tools offered by Interactive Brokers to manage your risk and track your performance. Congratulations, you are now ready to start trading futures in Interactive Brokers. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials.